Lauren here with Kids Can Code, and I want to tell you about some summer Girl Scout badge programming that I have available. Earlier this spring, I did a couple of teaser programs. If you liked what we did then, you are going to love what we're going to be doing. Starting May 11th, I'm going to be offering badge workshops for daisies, brownies, and juniors. We're going to be working on Coding for Good badges, and that's with the CodeSpark Academy app. We'll start with one program for badge 1, and then we'll add on more badge programs in the future. For cadets, seniors, and ambassadors, we'll be all joining together for one class to work on our Coding for Good badge number 1 with the program called VidCode. So you'll actually be writing some JavaScript code. We'll create projects that actually do something for the community, and I will walk you through every step of using this complicated language. Both programs are going to teach the basics of writing an algorithm, putting together loops, and sequencing. I have been doing a ton of virtual programs. It's been awesome, especially because you don't have to get out of your PJs. Your dog can be sitting in your lap. You can get all the snacks that you need from your fridge. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. I hope that you will join me, learn how to code with Coding for Good badge number 1 starting in May.